Today we're exploring the Oppo Reno 14, a compact device that brings premium features to the mainstream market. This is an honest, unsponsored review where I'll share my experience with this impressive phone, covering its sleek design, vibrant display, capable camera system, solid performance, and reliable battery life. The key question is, does the Reno 14 offer the right balance of features and value for your needs? Let's dive in together. But before we jump in, make sure to smash that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss our latest tech reviews and exclusive content. First impressions are everything, and the Oppo Reno 14 maintains the elegant compact design philosophy we've come to expect from the series. With its slim 7.42mm profile and comfortable 187-gram weight, this phone feels premium without being bulky. The aluminum frame and glass back construction deliver a quality feel that punches above its price point. Available in luminous green and opal white, which has this unique texture design at the back, both finishes look sophisticated and modern. The camera module is cleanly integrated, avoiding the oversized bump trend. With IP68 and IP69 rating for dust and water resistance and thoughtful build quality throughout, the Reno 14 proves that attractive design doesn't require flagship pricing. In terms of display, the 6.59-inch OLED panel is a real highlight, delivering Full HD Plus resolution at 1256 by 2760 pixels with excellent clarity and vibrant colors, and with razor-thin bezels. The 120Hz refresh rate ensures smooth scrolling and responsive touch interactions, while the 240Hz touch sampling rate makes gaming feel incredibly fluid. Color accuracy is impressive with DCI-P3 support and multiple display modes to suit your preferences. Peak brightness reaches 1200 nits, providing good outdoor visibility, but falls short with other competition in the same price range. It is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 7i with the 89.6% screen-to-body ratio. This display delivers an immersive viewing experience perfect for streaming, gaming, and daily use. Now, looking at its internals, the phone runs on the MediaTek Dimensity 8350 processor, which delivers solid performance for daily use. It comes with 12GB of fast LPDDR5X RAM and up to 512GB of UFS 3.1 storage, ensuring smooth multitasking and quick app loading. However, it would have been even better if Oppo had included the more powerful Dimensity 9300 chipset instead. The Reno 14 runs ColorOS 15 built on Android 15, offering a polished and fluid software experience. The interface feels snappy and well-tuned, handling everything from casual gaming to intensive productivity work with ease. While it delivers smooth performance across most mobile games and daily tasks, hardcore gamers might notice some limitations with the most demanding titles. Overall, Oppo's software optimization shines through, providing reliable responsiveness that holds up well over time. The system remains stable even during extended use, striking a good balance between features and efficiency. When it comes to camera system, the Reno 14's triple camera setup punches above its weight with a 50-megapixel main sensor featuring f1.8 aperture and OIS, an 8-megapixel ultra-wide camera, and a 50-megapixel telephoto lens with 3.5 times optical zoom down up to 120 times digital zoom. Daylight photos show good detail and natural colors, while the OIS helps with low-light performance. The ultra-wide camera captures decent group shots and landscapes, though with some expected edge distortion. The telephoto lens offers 3.5x optical zoom, enabling crisp close-ups and professional-looking portraits with beautiful background separation. And let's not forget the 50-megapixel front camera takes sharp selfies with good skin tone reproduction. Video recording supports 4K at 30 and 60 frames per second with solid stabilization. Together, these cameras provide remarkable versatility, allowing photographers to capture everything from sweeping vistas to intimate details with impressive clarity. The Reno 14 truly shines when it comes to battery performance. Its substantial 6,000 mAh capacity delivers dependable endurance that comfortably powers through a full day of heavy use without breaking a sweat. When you do need to recharge, the bundled 80-watt super fast charger works its magic, replenishing the battery from 0 to 100% in less than 60 minutes. Perfect for those last-minute top-ups before heading out. While the absence of wireless charging might disappoint some users, the blazing fast wired charging speeds more than compensate for this limitation. Oppo's intelligent power management ensures efficient energy usage, meaning you can confidently leave your charger at home, knowing the phone will keep up with your busiest days. Now, here is my final verdict. The Oppo Reno 14 represents excellent value in the compact mid-range segment, combining attractive design, a vibrant 120Hz display, capable cameras, a large battery, and solid performance at an accessible price point. At 1,999 dirhams in Dubai, it offers many premium features. But to be honest, this phone is overpriced. With its specs, it could sell more if the price is around just 1,500 dirhams. Anyway, if you're looking for a well-rounded smartphone that handles daily tasks beautifully while delivering good photography capabilities, the Reno 14 also deserves your consideration. If you're interested, I will put the link for purchase details and availability. That's wrap up for our review of the Oppo Reno 14 5G. Let me know in the comments if this phone is on your shortlist. If this review was helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more exciting tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out!